Hi, let me introduce you to Omnishare, a tool that let me post directly to any social media site using my terminal. For that, we need to install UV and simply call our tool from there. So to install it, just go to the documentation site, copy the command based on your operating system, go to terminal, paste it, press enter, and it will install that. Awesome. Now that it is installed, let's just call our tool and look for the help page. UVX Omnishare dash dash help. Alright, this is working. Next step is to add tokens. And for that, you can call UVX Omnishare dash dash add token, press enter. It will ask you which platform you want to pick. So pick anyone. Let's go for LinkedIn. I have my API key for LinkedIn. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. And a token for LinkedIn already exists. Do you want to overwrite? Well, yes. And do I want to add more? Well, I could add for Mastodon, but I have already done that. So let's just skip that. Next step is to create a markdown file. For now, I have created a sample.md file and the content is this, just some article, some hashtag, some source link. To post it, just call UVX Omnishare and name of the file, which is sample.md. Press enter and it will make the call. As you can see, the status code is all green, which means it posted successfully. You could verify the same in your profiles. So if you go to Mastodon, this is here. Similarly, if I come here, post from the terminal, all you need, and this tool can post from the terminal, and this is source and hashtag, and this basically matches whatever the content was in this markdown file. And this is how you can make the post from the terminal to LinkedIn and Mastodon. For now, if you want me to support other social media platform, drop a comment down and I will see if I could integrate that as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.